If you've been feeling discouraged about your savings, remember this. You're planting a forest, not a few flowers. Stay consistent. Small steps today turn into deep roots tomorrow. If you feel like you're not making progress with your savings, or your budget feels too slow, just remember this. You're planting a forest, not a few flowers. Trees don't grow overnight. Wealth doesn't either. Every dollar you save, every coffee you skip, every smart money move you make, it's not just a habit, it's a seed. You might not see the results right away, but trust me, one day you'll be standing in the middle of the life you built. A forest of financial freedom. Stay consistent, stay rooted, and never forget why you started.
Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.